Alright guys, here again. I've been busy. I had a few people helping me and didn't have time to really record videos, so I was just trying to get this done. Plus it's getting ready to rain all weekend, so I took Friday and Monday off this week, and me and my wife we done this. But we got a line in 100 amp wire from there to my shop. Got it wired in, got everything turned on. Me and her put the air conditioning unit in today, and I went up there and, you know, we done everything it said, and I turned it on, and I don't know what happened to it. All my wiring's good. I checked all it. It didn't trip no breakers, but the fans, the whole thing's jumping around up there, and I think the fans busted or had a crack in it or something. But I got that. It's a mess in here right now. I got two walls up for the kennel or the whelping areas. That's one back here. Like I said, there'll be another one over here. And my wife, she only wants to do 3 right now, I think. And then so we have some more room up here to put a trimming area or something like that, or, you know, maybe a washing area later. But that's where I'm at. We went and bought instead of having these 2 barn style doors, we went and bought a new door to put in here. My mom will have to cut all this out, take all it out, and that's why I hadn't finished wiring nothing up here, because I don't know how high I'm going to go for sure, or how wide. I know I'm going to have to open it up a little bit, but I think I'm going to have to go all the way to that top joist right there, and then strengthen it back up a little bit. But I'll keep y'all updated. I'm going to be working on it all weekend. Alright guys. Got the window unit out yesterday. Took it back to Lowe's. Frigidaire only offers a 7-day return policy, or Lowe's offers a 7-day return policy on Frigidaire air units over 12,000 BTUs, and that one we bought was 16,000 BTUs. It should be plenty for this small area, but I recommend if you buy one of them Frigidaire heat AC units that you get the warranty with it. Either it comes with a 3-year or 4-year warranty. 3 years like 80 bucks, 4 years is 130, I think. But I bought the 3-year warranty, and what you do is you call up that number, and then a Lowe's person will take care of it. And the only thing you got to do is be here, and a service tech will come out and look at, you know, the heat unit or whatever. Or if you have a surge come through and it fries it, Lowe's will replace it for free within those 3 years. So that's pretty good, buying that warranty. I'm definitely glad I took it back. I bought it Wednesday. Today's now Saturday, and we took it back yesterday night. So otherwise I've been trying to get in touch with Frigidaire. So glad that worked out. I got the ceiling fans put in. I wanted to get these in, that way we got light out here and we can see what's going on. We can see what we're doing. We can work at night. We can work later than, you know, 5:30, 6 o'clock, because when it starts getting dark, I mean, you can't see nothing in here. So what I did was, on my first switch, wired up the lights. And then my second switch, turn the fans on. So that's what that 14-3 wires for. I run the black to black on the fan, and then the red to the blue on the light switch side of the fan. If you ever wired in fans, that's the way it is. If you have a light, it's red, or it's blue, black, white, green. So your blue is your fan. No, your blue is your lights, and then your black's your fan. But I wanted those separate, that way if it was hot in here or something, or you know, we just wanted air in here, I can turn on the fans and leave them running slow and not have to have the lights on, or not have to go over there and pull the switches. And I don't like dealing with that stuff. But we got them in. Next step is I'm gonna have to have help. That thing weighs like 150 pounds. But it's just awkward. Me and my wife were gonna get that in. See if we can make sure it works, because we only got 7 days to take it back. So make sure it works. Go ahead and frame in for this. Frame in for this last one. Then start sheeting all this stuff. I'll probably sheet this first, because we're running out of room for all that. There's like 8 pieces of plywood right there. So I'll probably insulate this whole wall. Frame up over there for that. Put a OSB, not the OSB, sheet plywood against the wall on that side. Put plywood on both sides of these. Build the doors. I bought hinges the other day and locks. And then hopefully, if it ever quits raining, which I don't know when that'll be, but as long as it ain't raining tomorrow afternoon, I'm gonna start on this door. But if it is, then I probably won't start on it till Monday. And if it's raining Monday, I don't know when I'm gonna do it. But that's that. Keep y'all updated. Appreciate it. Alright guys, got a little bit more work done today. Put the new air unit in, it works good. It was the fan that was busted on the other one, so they wasn't nothing my fault. They replaced it, no problem. Got some of the walls up on both sides, got it cleaned out. Got spaces for the doors. I think I'm gonna weld them out of metal. Got the last wall we're gonna put up here, and then we got to make a front for it and put a door there. But looks like we already got a light burning out. It's quality. But it's not screwed. But other than that, it's cleaned up real nice. The wife, she come in here and put her touch to it and got me more organized. So, but that's where we're at right now, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.